morning everyone, I am George Samuel. This is my first English novel review. Today I am going to talk about the novel Blindness. This is written by José Saramago. He is from Portugal. He is one of the famous author. His works has been translated into more than 30 languages. I just want to tell something about his childhood. Till the age of 19, he is not able to afford a single book to read because his father was a poor man. He worked in the army, but they are not able to earn much money. And then Saramago was very interested in books. So he written his first novel at the age of 21, The Land of Sin. It was widely acclaimed by his friends, but unfortunately he is not able to write novels for the next 3 decades. Like after the age of 52, he have written his second novel. Even that was not given much recognition. After that, he have written Balthazar and Blimunda. It's became a very big hit in United States of America and also some other countries. Time of 52, he was a very big hit in literary forum, and then he got the Nobel Prize at the age of 70. So everyone got shocked when he got the Nobel Prize because his genre was very difficult. He used to write a lot of allegory novels. Politically, it was very stimulating. We can each and every novel comes up with some current scenario, and it has been put it into as an allegory. So everyone loved his novels. So after that, even his friend Harold Bloom praised him about his success. Even the Nobel Committee was very happy that they have chosen a correct member for the right member for the Nobel at that particular period. So in 1998 he got the Nobel Prize for his literary works. This Blindness novel got released in 1995 and it was a very big hit. Following this, he has written a lot of novels, Cave Double and then Seeing. It's a sequel for Blindness. This novel also made as a film in 2008, but it's not a very big hit. If you love reading novel, it is the right one, because instead of watching the movie, you can watch the movie after reading this novel. That would be very fine. So Saramago's life was like this, because at this COVID situation, it was very difficult for us to sustain our life, for sustain our career, and it's like a very hardship for us, not only for everyone, for the whole universe. So it's like Saramago got this inspiration from Salazar. Salazar is one of the worst ruler at his country in 50s, because more than 50 years he ruled that country, and it was a difficult time for people, because people has been arrested and put into prisons and treated immorally, and no one got the rights to speak against him. So it's like that is one of the thing. Even Hitler got an inspiration from him. He tortured the Jewish people by making mental asylums, and also in America, after the bombing of Pearl Harbor, that internees, the Japanese prisoners, has been put into the prison, and they have been tortured. All these things has been put into an allegory in this novel, because this novel at this COVID time, it's very important, because the death is blindness, blindness is death. People have the physical, even though they don't have physical blindness, they are not able to see. That's what he meant in this novel, because but in this novel everyone got into blind. That's what happened. I just want to tell a short summary about this novel. Man is driving a car, and when behind the signal, he is waiting for the signal, he is waiting for the green signal. Suddenly he got into blind, and he is not able to drive his car. The people, those who are surrounded him, they ask him to take the car, but unfortunately he is not able to. So one guy on the road, he tried to help him by dropping him at his house, and he driven this car to his home. And once after dropping him, he took the car and went away. So once after reaching the home, this blind man realized his car was stolen away by the car thief. The man who was stolen his car, went into blind. So the epidemic spread like anything. So he is the second man. Then he went to an eye hospital to see an ophthalmologist, a doctor. He also got blind, and the people who were sitting on the reception, everyone got blind. This happened in an unknown city. It's a fictitious city on this novel. No one has names. They have descriptions like doctor's wife, normal couple, the first blind man, the car thief, dog of tears, old man with the black eye patch, a squinted eye boy, a girl with the dark glasses. These are all the characters. So once the government got to know that this doctor was blind, they want to put everyone into an asylum. So they found an old mental hospital, and they gathered all the blind people over there, and they shut it inside. So it has 3 blocks, and the government was completely worried about this thing, and it's like an unknown epidemic. People all become crazy, all went upside down, everyone became blind in the so people are pouring in. So more than 300 people are a total number of more than 300 people has been shut inside the mental hospital. It has 3 blocks, one block, first block, second and third block. The third block is full of hoodlums and rowdies. They have pistols and a lot of things. They are threatening people. So the food supplies are not regular. So once after getting the food from the government, that hoodlums, they captured the food and they kept it for themselves. If the other prisoners, if they want to have food, they have to give the valuables, they have to give their dresses, whatever the jewels, whatever they have to get the food from the hoodlums to keep them alive. This is what happened inside the prison. So it's like an animalization. You can see over there, animal excretion, excretion spread all over there, littered papers, littered a lot of dust. It's like an hell like of people. There is no people behave like an animal. They have a wild sex. On the whole block, one woman is not blind, that is doctor's wife, because she volunteered to help her husband by telling the government authority she is blind. So they let him allowed to go along with her husband. So this is the woman who know that morality. He know what is morality and what is kind of loving people. So this woman is like a savior. She is like a protagonist. She is guiding them. She is helping them. She is loving one another. She is the only woman. Some people found that she is not blind, but still they don't want to reveal it to her because they won't get it anything else from her. So one point of time, people all became animals. So here in one dog comes in this novel. They used to meet outside the prison. That is a dog of tears. It has a lot of affection towards people. It loves people. So the animal is having a human behavior. The man is inhuman inside the prison. So in this scenario, the doctor's wife also do an inhuman act to get them out. The girl with the dark glasses is a prostitute. The doctor, the ophthalmologist, he have an illicit sex with the girl with the dark glasses. So everything went wrong. So you can see their animal instincts. Once everything get into trouble. So what happened? Once after getting out the prison, this woman, the doctor's wife, she found an old church. She want to get inside to pray for few minutes. Once after getting into that church, some people are surrounded there. All are blind. She is able to see the sculptures and paintings. All the paintings and sculptures are covered by a painted mask. All the eyes of all the paintings and sculptures are covered by a painted mask. Then she got job. Who done this pathetic job? Maybe the father or someone. she is not aware of that. So someone is telling there from the crowd, God itself doesn't want to see the blindness. That's all. It is like another thought, spiritual blindness in blindness. Even people are not able to see when they have physically, when they are not blind, even though they are not able to see the people with the whole awareness, because their ignorance, killing people, to fighting for the food, killing each other to make them survive. It's like in survival of the fittest. So everyone is fighting with each other. So what happened? You can see that death is blindness. Blindness is death. People are unclean on their soul and body. People are both unclean on their mind and soul. So what happened? I can in this scenario I can tell you two stories which we can relate it with this novel. One is Kafka's Metamorphosis. In that story, the protagonist Gregory Samsa, one morning he became an insect, and his fellow human beings, friends, office workers, and the mother, father and sister, everyone left him behind to death. He is not able to see them, and they are not ready to help them. The morality went totally blind. So they are thinking about themselves. They are not ready to love other human. That's what happened in that novel. And I can also tell one more story, that is Oedipus. Oedipus is a famous king, and he is not physically blind, but he made himself blind because he is not able to see the truth. Because people who were surrounded him are corrupted, and they are guiding him in a wrong way. They misguided him. That's what happened in that city. So he felt guilty and he made himself blind. That was happened in the Oedipus story. So here everything was wrong. So in this whole story, when people from ignorance to awareness, self-awareness, when they transform, their blindness disappears. So I want to end this novel in a positive note. Why did in that novel you can see hundreds of quotes. In that novel you can see that girl with the black glasses, she is telling, why did we become blind? I don't know. Perhaps one day we will find out. Do you want me to tell you what I think? Yes, do. I don't think we did go blind. I think we are blind. Blind but seeing. Blind people who can see but do not see, said the girl with the black glasses. Here blind government rules the blind people. Without a future, the presence, their presence serves no purpose. That's what happened in this novel. If we stay together, we may survive. If we separate, we will get destroyed. That's what they are talking in between them. It's a truth. You can find it out in this novel. And another quote, I want to end it in that positive note. First blind man's wife is asking, do we have strength? Strength must be found, said the doctor's wife. I hope we all find our strength to survive, strength to love each other, strength to help each other, share and spread love with the fellow human beings. Have a great day. And if you really like this novel review, please subscribe my channel George Samuel. I'll come up with more reviews. I have posted a lot of Tamil reviews also. Have a great day. Until then, thank you. Bye. George Samuel.